Hello everyone, welcome to the full course online. In this video, we are going to download the Dropbox app for PC and configure it. Go to Dropbox.com. On the menu bar, there are two options, Desktop app and Mobile app. Right now, we are going to download the Desktop app. Click on Install Desktop app. And the exe file will start downloading. Click on the file once it is downloaded. And the installation will start. Once the installation is complete, click on the app icon. A window will appear. Click on Sign in with Dropbox. Click on the Open Sign In. Your default browser would open. Click on Open Dropbox. Click on Next. There are many Dropbox paid plans if you are interested in purchasing one of them. Click on Upgrade. With the basic plan, you are given 2 GB of storage. For this video, we are keeping the basic plan. So, click on the Keep Basic Plan. Click on Open Dropbox. And the Dropbox folder is open. A Dropbox application is installed. You can see there is a Dropbox folder with a Dropbox icon. Click on that, and you can use it now. Thank you for being with us.